Hey, Dave from Red Smoke Barbecue here, and thanks for dropping by and checking out our new series of 2-minute sauces. Now, a little caveat, it'll take you more than 2 minutes to make some of these sauces, but it's our aim to show you in 2 minutes or less on how to make some of the most popular sauces at home for your barbecue. And today, we're gonna start off with a really simple one, a Carolina barbecue vinaigrette. Now, in my opinion, this is a really underrated sauce. It's full of flavor, it's tangy, spicy, and it's really thin and light, and it goes amazing with pulled pork. And funnily enough, I've got a pork on the smoker at the moment, which is the other reason that we've started with this sauce. Now, we're gonna run you through the ingredients that you need. There's only 7 required, and then we're gonna show you the procedure to make this fantastic sauce. So start the clock and let's get started. Okay, so quickly running through those ingredients, we need 2 tablespoons of salt, a tablespoon of black pepper and chili flakes, 2 cups of apple cider vinegar, 1.5 cups of water, half a cup of ketchup, and 1/4 cup of brown sugar. Okay, so pretty simple here. We're going to take all the ingredients and mix them into a bowl. Doesn't really matter the order you do it. I've started with all the liquids first, and then I'll add in the salt, the pepper, and the chili with the brown sugar. Once you've added all the ingredients, give it a good stir. You'll find the ketchup will stick to the bottom, so make sure you get that, give that a good mix. Okay, so now we've made our sauce, we've given it a light swirl. We're gonna transfer it to an airtight jar. So if you can get with some of these are fantastic. If not, just any sort of old jam jar, something that's airtight that you can put into the fridge. So I'm gonna transfer it via this funnel. Hopefully I won't make too big a mess. All right, there you go. So we've transferred that to our jam jar, and we only made a small amount of mess. So we're gonna clip the lid on because it's really important that it's on properly when we give it a bit of a shake and stir up that contents. Now, I will say, you wanna give this 24 hours in the fridge. Always will taste better the longer you can give it. If you've only got a short amount of time, 2 hours is probably the minimum. You just need time for those flavors to blend together and really intensify that flavor. So we've done that. Let's transfer it into the fridge. There you go, Carolina barbecue vinaigrette. Super simple to do. Good chance you've already got all the ingredients you need to do it at home. And it's a nice taste and a nice change to having just your heavy sauces on your pulled pork. It's got a real acidic flavor. It's really light. Really, really good too if you're gonna do some pulled pork, say on Bayo buns or something like that. Now, I think we've then done that easily in under 2 minutes, so we better stop the clock. And the other tip I'm gonna give you with this one is try it as a salad dressing. It's really, really good as a salad dressing. If you're gonna do that, I recommend next time you're at the supermarket, just grab a couple of these empty ketchup bottles. They're about 50 cents each. Transfer some of your sauce into that bottle, and that way you can keep it on the door of the fridge and grab it as you need it. And this will probably keep in the fridge for around 2 weeks, although I've kept it in there a lot longer than that and it seems to taste fine. But if you're gonna do that every now and again, just give it a bit of a mix up to allow all those flavors to stay stirred through. Now, if you like this video, appreciate the thumbs up, and better yet, we really appreciate your support to our channel by subscribing. It's free to do, and it means a lot to us. Now, we're gonna do a whole bunch more of these sauces. If there's anything in particular you wanna see, throw it in the comments below, and we'll see if we can make that video happen a little faster. But we do have quite a line of sauces that we hope to do in this 2-minute format. Let us know what you think about the format, and on to the next video. We'll see you then.